Deep in the mountains of Jiangxi, there's a place where ancient myths and real-world beauty collide. This is Wangxian Valley. Once believed to be a gathering spot for immortals, today it feels like stepping straight into a living legend. Let's explore this hidden gem and see what stories it has to tell. Welcome back to PJ Travels, the channel where the journey never stops and every destination has a story. If you're liking this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get into it. So after leaving our apartment in Shanghai, we headed to Hongkou Station, Shanghai's main high-speed rail hub, and honestly, it feels more like an airport than a train station. It's massive, super modern, and really well organised. You'll need to go through security and check your ticket before getting to the platforms to make sure you arrive early. Bullet trains in China are incredible. They're clean, fast, and they always leave exactly on time. So my tips would be to pre-book tickets, bring your passport, and leave enough time to pass through security. So once we got to Hongkou Station, we then took a taxi and arrived at Wangxian Valley. As you step in, it feels like something out of a fantasy film. Towering cliffs, ancient forests, and that constant sound of rushing water all around you. And I swear, Jada gets attacked by bees everywhere we go. Anyway, the air here is so fresh, and there's this calm, overworldly vibe to the whole place. It's one of those rare spots where it still feels untouched, like you've stumbled into a mythic landscape. Wangxian literally means Valley of the Immortals, and walking through here, you get why the legends say spirits once lived amongst these mountains. And this is where you can stay overnight in the valley. Looks insane, right? If we come back, we're definitely booking a night here. If you're visiting China, this is 100% worth adding to your trip. We travelled a few hours out from Shanghai and honestly, so glad we did. One thing I'd recommend though, if you can, stay overnight. The valley lights up and it's meant to look unreal. That is definitely one of our biggest regrets from our trip. And that's it from Wangxian Valley. Honestly, one of the most peaceful spots we visited so far. If you enjoyed this one, drop a like and subscribe for more adventures coming soon on PJ Travels. See you in the next one.